The opposition Congress on Friday demanded Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and his Council of Ministers to resign to pave the way for a new government which is committed to protect the citizens of the state, especially those residing along the interstate border with Assam. The demand was made during a condolence meeting and candlelight vigil held at Congress Bhavan to pay respect to the 5 villagers who were killed in a firing by Assam police at Mukra village in West Ajanta Hills district. Informing this, Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Kynhun NCM said that the party had expressed solidarity with the bereaved family.
But we should agitate with some other kind of agitation to create problems against the government, especially the cabinet minister who could not protect the life of our people in the state. But violence will not be a solution. The only thing is that we should demand that the new government should be installed.
At least 20 oil tankers guarded by armed personnel